Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix a YouTube not working in iPhone or iPad iOS 16 and 17. Issue is 100% solved in this video. I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. So guys, this problem will be fixed on iPhone as a first solution. You check the internet connection. Cellular data you will be must be then one time, two time flight mode, and you are on cellular data, or you connect the Wi-Fi. You can check the Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi is proper working on your mobile. So first solution is not working on your iPhone. Second solution, update your YouTube app. So click on App Store and then you uh, option search option YouTube, and then click on YouTube and then click on YouTube app. Not up to date my mobile, and you must be should have update on your mobile, and your problem will be fixed. If other second solution is not working on your iPhone, their third solution, restart your iPhone. Volume up button and volume down button, and press the power button and not increase button when you see appears on Apple logo on your iPhone, and your problem will be fixed. If the third solution is not working on your iPhone, fourth solution, background app refresh turn off. You can open the setting and then click on general and then click on background or refresh app, then click he is not working in this time. You will on the low power mode, then you can disable low power mode and then click and he is again show, and then you click on Wi-Fi and mobile data, and your problem will be fixed. If there are fourth solution is not working, fifth solution, delete YouTube and again download. Uh, uh, you can delete the YouTube app and reinstall App Store from. And last solution, on your iPhone, you can open the setting and then click on General and then click on Software Update. You can you must should be update your iPhone iOS 17, and your problem will be fixed. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know if have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.